この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りいたします。
はい。IRyS, it's IRyS. あ、やばい。声ガラガラ。IRyS guys and happy holidays. Is it too early to say happy holidays? I'm back. Oh, okay. I'm not muted, right? Yeah, I'm not muted. Okay. Hey. Yeah, let me just get my mask off. Oh, okay. How's everyone doing? As I think most of you guys know, I was gone for like maybe about a week because of oh yeah, what happened to the new greeting? Oh yeah, IRyS and shine. IRyS and shine, everyone. I mean, I'm still gonna say IRyS and shine, everyone. So as most of you guys knew, I was gone for like about a week because of, you know, stupid COVID. Because of very stupid COVID. I'm currently taking cough suppressants, so hopefully I don't cough that much today. And I'm really hoping the cough disappears, because that's pretty much what's left. What's left of COVID in my system right now. Yeah, I feel fine besides the cough. Did you guys miss me? I didn't expect to get sick after my 1 month break. You were gone? Yeah, I was gone. Yeah, I was gone. For a week. Who are you again? Oh, I will refresh your memory. It's IRyS. Most important Vtuber in your life right now. Oh, sorry that I'm so sorry that you lost your such an important memory.